Hey guys, so I'm here and I just built this dresser. As you can see, it came with all the foam and stuff. I need to clean that off, but this is it. It's got a lot of drawers. I mean, it took me maybe 45 minutes, 30 to 45 to actually install. Here's kind of the installation manual. It was fairly easy and it was straightforward. It tells you exactly what you need to do, exactly where you put in the screws, and it was easy. And I really like it because it's got a ton of drawers. I mean, it has 5, so there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. It's got a lot of space in them, and it's nice and sturdy. I mean, I don't think this is going anywhere, and it'll definitely do what I want. And so I honestly put it here in the living room because I thought it looked nice, and I like the black style of this one. I mean, I like the color of this, and it worked well. It was super easy to put together. I mean, it was just straightforward, and the installation was easy. And so I'm just gonna leave this here because I like the look of it, and I think it's gonna go good. And for example, I'm going to just put this little thing on there, and then I just like the look of it. I think it looks good, and it was nice and sturdy, and it'll definitely hold everything that I need. So I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up.